20 powerful facts on how to gain views and followers on YouTube and Facebook. Oy, gusto mo bang sumikat at dumami ang followers mo? Eh bakit siya hindi mo mapafollow pabalik? 1. Did you know? Consistency is the secret sauce. Parang jowa yan. Kung consistent ka, hindi ka iiwan. 2. Did you know? The first 10 seconds of your video determine if people will stay or scroll. Parang unang tingin mo sa crush mo, alam mo agad kung may chance ka o wala. 3. Did you know? Using catchy thumbnails boosts your views by 60%. Kaya dapat sa thumbnail pa lang mapapa, uy, sino to? Na sila. 4. Did you know? Facebook and YouTube prioritize videos that get engagement within the first hour. Set. Kaya kung gusto mong umangat, wag mo hayaang maghintay ng matagal, baka maghanap ng iba. Did you know? Posting at the right time can 3x your reach. Parang pag-chat mo sa crush mo, dapat sakto sa good mood niya para di ka seen. Did you know? Mas maraming views ang videos na may subtitles? Kasi kahit silent mode si crush, mapapanood ka pa rin niya. 7. Did you know? Clickbait titles work, pero dapat may laman din ang video mo. O wag kang pa-fall, bigyan mo sila ng totoong dahilan para manatili. 8. Did you know? Engaging with comments boosts your algorithm ranking. Wag kang ghoster, replyan mo sila para lumakas ang engagement mo. 5. Did you know? Videos with humor get shared 5x more. Kaya dapat hindi lang informative, dapat entertaining din, parang ako sa'yo. Did you know? People love relatable content. Kung hindi ka makarelate sa kanila, paano kanila mamahalin? 11. Did you know? The best video length for engagement is 8-12 minutes. Sakto lang, hindi masyadong mahaba, hindi rin masyadong bitin, di tulad ng effort niya sa'yo. 12. Did you know? Posting regularly trains the algorithm to push your content. Kaya kung gusto mong dumami ang followers, wag kang seasonal tulad ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo. 13. Did you know? Mas maraming nagpa-follow kapag nagla-live ka. Kasi gusto nilang makita ang totoong ikaw, hindi tulad ng taong plastic sa buhay mo. 14. Did you know? Challenges and trends get more views. Kung gusto mong sumikat, sumabay ka sa uso, pero wag ka lang magpakauso sa love. 15. Did you know? People love did you know facts? Kaya dapat interesting ang content mo, parang ikaw sa paningin ko. 16. Did you know? Calls to action, CTAs, can increase subscribers by 50%. Kaya huwag kang mahiya, sabihin mong follow and subscribe para di ka nila baliwalain. 17. Did you know? Using trending hashtags boosts discoverability. Kung gusto mong mapansin, gamitin mo yung tamang hashtags, di tulad nung maling taong minahal mo. 18. Did you know? Sharing your videos in groups expands your reach. Kaya wag mong itago ang talent mo. I-share mo, baka siya na ang destiny mong fan. 19. Did you know? People love giveaways and contests. Kasi sino bang aayaw sa libreng pagmamahal? Ay, libreng prize pala. 20. Did you know? You're more likely to succeed if you keep going. Huwag kang susuko, balang araw, trending ka na. At baka pati siya, mapansin ka na rin. So anong favorite fact mo? Comment below. At syempre, follow and subscribe para mas lalo kang gumaling sa content creation.